G'day guys, Shane here from Silverback Campers. I just purchased this new Land Cruiser a couple of weeks ago and put in a GVM upgrade. It's a parabolic spring setup from Tamer, been installed by Multi-Drive, and I've had it in for a week now, and I must admit, so far she's been pretty bloody impressive. But let's have a look underneath and we'll put it through its paces, see what you think. Now traditionally a standard leaf pack are heavy, rigid, don't offer much flex at all. Standard leaf packs can also be uncomfortable and loud and create safety issues as they offer little to no flex, meaning that when a driver hits a bump, finds themselves in a rough off-road situation, the rigidity of the leaf pack will cause the opposite wheel to lift, spinning and losing traction, ceasing drive and effectively endangering the driver. In a parabolic spring, the tapered design of each leaf allows the stress to be distributed more evenly across the spring. Each leaf is allowed to work independently, creating additional flex without sacrificing load capacity. And that allows you to keep all four wheels on the ground. Well, it's been a couple of weeks now since we put the new Tamer parabolic springs in, and I must admit, with the 50mm lift, the parabolic springs, absolutely awesome setup. We've done a heap of testing up in the mountains around Taggart. We did a 4-day trip up into the Snowy Mountains. Much softer ride in the back end. It's giving us more ride stability, and as far as towing is concerned, I cannot fault these things at all. Absolutely awesome bike.